Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about travel reservation systems. These systems are a vital part of the travel and tourism industry, and they have revolutionized the way we plan and book our travels. First, let's talk about what is a travel reservation system. A travel reservation system is a software application that provides a travel-related services like flight booking, hotel booking, car rentals, and more. It allows travelers to customize their travel plans according to their needs and preferences. The importance of travel reservation systems cannot be overstated. They offer convenience to both travelers and service providers. For travelers, they provide a one-stop solution for all their travel needs. For service providers, they streamline operations and increase efficiency. Travel reservation systems offers numerous benefits to travelers. They provide a wide range of options, allowing travelers to compare prices and services. They offer flexibility in booking and modifying reservations. And most importantly, they provide 24/7 accessibility, enabling travelers to make the reservation at any time from anywhere. For service providers, travel reservation systems offer centralized management of reservations, reducing manual work and errors. They provide real-time updates on availability and pricing. They also offer valuable insights into customers' behavior, helping providers improve their offerings. The purpose of travel reservation system database is to store and manage all the data related to travel services and reservations. Travel reservation systems play a crucial role in the travel and tourism industry. They offer convenience, flexibility, and a wide range of options to travelers while providing efficiency, real-time updates, and valuable insights to service providers. The database at the heart of the systems ensures data consistency, integrity, and quick retrieval of information.
These are the business rules of our database. Number 1, a passenger may book a reservation. Number 2, passenger information includes passenger ID, which will serve as the primary key, name, which is composed of last name and first name, address, which is composed of barangay, city, state, province, and postal code, age, and nationality. Number 3, reservation includes reservation ID as its primary key, with reservation status and the reservation's type, which identify the kind of reservation a passenger may choose. Number 4, there are two kinds of reservation, walk-in and online. If a passenger chooses to book a reservation by walk-in, the reservation type value is walk-in, and it will add an information for the contact info. If it is an online reservation, the online reservation type is online and will have a additional information for the email address. The bus owned by the company may board one or many passengers. Number 6, bus has the bus code as its primary key with the bus type and seat capacity. Number 7, during the trip, passenger must only be on board with the bus. And number 8, a bus can be operated by many operators. 9, information about operators includes operator ID as the primary key, name, which is composed of last name and first name, age, safety rate, and training, which has more than one values. Number 10, an operator operates one or many bus. 11, one or more trips are scheduled by many reservation. 12, the trip includes trip code as its primary key duration, and route as a multi-valued attribute composed of origin and destination. 13. For every reservation in schedules of trip, departure is recorded, which is composed of date and time. 14. Reservation must confirm a payment. 15. Payment has attributes payment code as the primary key, amount, and the payment type. 16. Payment will then be confirmed by the reservation. 17. For each time of reservation confirms a payment, the number of ticket is recorded. 18. Among all the different types of payment, cash payment and card payment must be accepted. If the payment is cash, the value is cash, and it will add information for the currency. If it is card payment, the value is card, and it will add information for the card number, cardholder name, and CBC code.
As stated in the previous part, some of the attributes of passenger and operator are the same. Such situation could lead to data redundancy, data integrity, and query complexity issues. To address the issue of data duplication and data integrity of our database diagram, we will apply generalization and specialization. We will enhance it and extend it by creating a supertype and subtype relationship. A new table will be created in an enhanced entity relationship diagram that will act as the general entity for passenger and operator. It will be named person and will have its own primary key, person ID, and obtain all common attributes of passenger and operator. Both passenger and operator will inherit the primary key, person ID, and retain their unique attributes.
In creating a database that will serve as a container for data, we need to use the command database and the database name, which is Bicol Isarog Travel Reservation. Travel Reservation DB. Let's see the go. And now that the database is created, now that our database has been created, we'll create our table. Our table name will be person, and we will use the command create again and create table, and the table name, which is person, that serve as the super type for the subtype passenger and operator. Create table person will have the attributes person ID that serves as the primary key, and since it's a primary key, its value must not be null. Its data value must be int. Next attribute is the last name, and the date, and the value length is 50. Same in first name, cars, and the age, int, and the person type, the type of person. It could be the passenger or a operator. Let's set data value as enum, which means that its value must only be passenger or operator, nothing else. Now, let's enter. We can see here that the table for person is now created. It has the person ID as the primary key, the last name, first name, age, and the type.
When inserting data values into the table, we will use the command insert to and our table name, which is a person. Next is we'll enclose the data and we define the table in the parentheses. The person ID, last name, and the first name and last type. Next command in the line will type values. In the another close and open parentheses. Now we will populate the table by inserting values inside the parentheses. Values for person ID. Person ID 2024-001 and the last name Gelbison and the last name Manuel and the type operator. Next, 2024-002 and last name Forake. And the first name Shalimar and the type is operator. Next, 2024-003 last name Pasis, first name Andrew, and the type passenger. Last one, 2024 first name last name Bulalake, and the first name J Mark, and the operator passenger. And the last but the least, 2024-005 and the last name Flores, first name Michael J, and the type passenger.
I'm going to show you the data inside our person table. To do that, let's type in this command. First, let's type select into the SQL query, then asterisk from the name of our table, which is person. Then let's hit enter, or let's run the command. Inside the person table, we can see the person ID on the left column, followed by the last name, first name, and the type. Now, I'm going to show you the data inside the passenger table. Same command, select asterisk from the name of our table, which is passenger. These are the datas inside the passenger table: the passenger ID, the barangay, city, state, province, postal code, nationality, and the bus code associated. Now, let me show you how to delete a data from a table. Let's try deleting a data from the person table. To do that, let's use the keyword delete from the name of our table, which is the person, where person ID is equal to 2024001. Then let's run this. Okay, one row is successfully deleted. Let's check if 2024001 is deleted from the person table. We can see here that 2024001 is successfully deleted. Okay, let's try to delete another one from the person table. Let's use the same command. Delete from the person table where person ID is equal to 2024002. Then let's run this. Okay, it is successfully deleted. Let's check if it is deleted in the operator table. Okay, there are no data in the operator table because we deleted the data. This code here or command is on how to create the operator table. And inside this is the operator ID and the safety rate, which is the attributes of the operator entity. The operator ID is an integer and it is the primary key of the operator table. Next is the safety rate and its data type is varchar. In referencing, for foreign key, we have the operator ID and it is referenced to the person table with the person ID. To do that, to create the operator table, let's run this command. There we go. The operator table is successfully created. We can see here in the left side or the left panel that our operator table is successfully created.
Now we're going to update a table. Updating a table means that we are changing a value in our table. To do that, we will use the command update to implement that our table here. We want to change or correct the spelling of the name Shalimar, where the name should have double E. To do that, we will type an update and then the table name, which is person, and the value that we want to replace into the table here. We set Shalimar into Shalimar with double E. Then the person ID of person, which is 2024002. Then we're going to enter. Now we're done.
Suppose that we are going to drop the operator table. We will use the command drop drop table, then its table name operator. Then click the go button. After executing the command, we can see here at the left panel that the operator table is now gone.